entrance.
Doon ba?
Ayun po doon.
Ah,
Entrance
doon.
that way.
To left.
Kaliwa.
And then?
It's a wide complex. They're going to need marketing here kasi hindi nila masyado na ma-market.
Turn right?
Yes. May mga restaurant din pala.
Yeah.
Nasa gallery 2 daw sila.
Wow.
Oh, di ba? Ganda?
Gallery 4.
So, what gallery?
2.
Gallery 2.
Filipino. My
Filipino,
gosh.
Filipino,
Filipino, ha?
Party people, man.
Party people. See, it's so nice. I don't know why no one's covering this one. Men, subsidized. Yeah. Diba? Hello. Ang ganda niya pala, no?
Yeah.
See?
110,000 yun. Kasama na yung share.
Oh.
For your forehead? Oh, he's looking for your headband. Say headband. Your turn now. My turn? Wow. Okay. No, you can't do that yet, darling. You can only move until here. There you go.
You're playing dama.
Chess.
Chess.
Okay. No. That's really fun.
Kakatawa na, field post.
Ganito nung araw.
Nung una. Yeah. Drop your postcard here. Share a handwritten note. Oh, yeah.
careful.
Careful with that. Anak ka talaga ni Ritz. Walang duda. We're the first.
Punta na sa kabila.
My friends will say, oh, where is that?
C-Rex.
Mommy, can I ride in your car?
Not yet, we have to go.
We're not leaving yet. We're going to. There are 6 galleries.
Pineapple.
I know. I don't see that. No.
Yeah.
Yeah. Read it.
Yes, you should.
This is very expensive.
No, you cannot. Sa office. Meron palang hilot sa pinaka gallery 6.
Paano tayo? May connecting ba? O lalabas tayo?
Lalabas. Okay lang, konting init lang. Ang ganda kaya nitong chair, wow. Wow. Shell. Yeah.
Real.
Ah.
No, cappies.
But it's nice what they did here. Ang lawak pala niya. It's big. The complex. It's nice. And it's just us, so it's nice. It's very new. Yeah, it's not yet. It's just new.
New?
Yeah, very new. No one knows, even the taxi driver.
Oh.
to the other. Yeah, then we're gonna go to the mall later.
Wow.
Yeah.
Why?
Okay, this is for mouse. Where's Elon?
Here, right here.
Oh, yeah. Oh, look!
Oh, that's nice.
Do you know the last time we went to the mall, we were watching Mama's Jollibee Scary?
Ganda. Oh, I love it. Ang ganda. No, this one. A girl there. Oh. Look at the full. Wow. Even this one, it's a lamp and it looks like yeah, it's nice. See?
Very simple and
Yes, very simple.
gorgeous.
It matches your house in Korea. Cute. It's so nice. Ang ganda. So nice. It's so very nice. For the foot.
For the food. Oh,
Yeah.
wow.
For the foot, very.
Oh, that's easy. Oh,
Ah.
how much?
Ang ganda nito. Ganda. Ayan, no? Ganda. Work of art. Parang angel wings, no?
Gusto ko nung lambo.
Ganda.
Can you shape Kamagong or no? And how hard is it to
Saya,
shape?
saya.
Because I would want something like this
Oh, it's even like a budget. Yeah.
made in Kamagong.
Oh.
Say yeah, come on.
Probably there's a way. It's a tree.
It's
Wood, wood.
Ah, it's a tree.
it's like stone wood.
Stone wood?
It will outlive.
Kasi meron sa IKEA, nasasabi siya sa gilid.
Ganda.
It's nice.
If we had this couch, would you be okay with that?
The cats are gonna be very happy. Kasi yung bango.
Wow.
Bango.
Tapos nalaglag lang, ano?
Bango. Kangas lang. Kasi bango. Bango, may ba?
Oo nga.
Oh, yan.
Ano, lagi na lang kinikriticize. Nandito yung mga Christmas decor.
Mga holiday decor, home decor, mga gifts.
You took the slow now. Sia, you have your own car now.
Okay, after your turn.
Okay. Okay, now my turn. I'm serious. Ang ganda, no? Oh, I would have loved that toy.
Yeah, when we were kids.
If you were a kid, you would love that. Ala, ang cute.
Cute.
What is that? That's so cute. Ay, ilalagay ko yung mga pusa dyan. Ibang ano lang na yung Pilipino nilagay nila dito. May mga artifacts ng...
Mukha nga eh. Tapos pinahirap nila sa yung mga ano, no?
Feeling ko ma-enjoy ng friend mo to si Mark din. Feeling ko sina Mark ano din nila to. Wines. Clark. This got the presidential award. Dapat dito hindi malamig kasi magpapahilot ka dito.
Hindi ate kasi hindi pwede gawin ko minsan.
Sa bagay.
I can't sit. You just sit like this.
They're gonna massage you. Wow. Ah.
Not going to get anything, ah?
Tell him that if he doesn't come down, he won't swim. He's gonna be quiet.
Right?
That's mango.
Ang tagal naman ng ticket na Iris.